Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Tableau Tip Tuesday, where we break down Tableau functions into their base components so that we can understand them better. We got a quick one and a fun one for you guys here today. We're going to be making a calendar in Tableau. A very useful feature. Right here we just have a simple profit coloration, but remember you can do any number of things such as a comparison to your last year. Are you doing better or worse? A simple if-then, are you above or below a quota that you may have for a given day? Number of admissions to a hospital, any number of different things. So don't pay attention again to just the simple profit metric that we have coloring these squares. Alrighty, so let's go over to sheet 2 and get started with our build here. So what we want is we want our weekday up along the top. So I'm going to take my order date, right click, drag it on up to column, so where we can go directly to a weekday. Useful little shortcut there. Then we are going to duplicate weekday so that we can have our week number down the side. So we go here into more and we say week number, and now we have all 52 weeks. That's not ideal, so let's go ahead and filter to a given month in a given year. So we'll take our order date up to our filters and we'll go straight to a month-year combo where we can filter it perhaps to our most recent month right there and press OK. Now all we need to do is we need to take a metric in there, and I will just choose profit because that's what we had in my demo before, and we'll just place that onto color, and you can see that it colors those boxes right there. Now one thing that's you'll have to remember here is if I want a label as to which date that is, we can do that by taking order date up to label and going straight to the day number right here. And now we have that day in there. However, when Tableau sees a field on text and a field on color, it's going to assume you want colored text. So we just have to come up here and manually tell it, nope, we would like to color the square behind that mark instead of the text itself. So there you go. One other thing that I like to do with this, just to make it look a little bit better here, is just go into my label. We can go into that alignment where we can put that number up in the top right corner like a traditional calendar, and there you have it, a nice visual calendar for you. So you have the ease of leveraging how familiar a calendar is to all of us. All right, that's it for today's shorter video. Join us next week for another tip.